Ito po ang D-tape machine sa Robinson Novaliches. Araw-araw na ito nagagamit. May 56 meters kaming nairan dito this week. Ito po ang head. Ito po ang cupping, good and working. Head clean. Punasan ng wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Buo naman ang nozzle check. Temperature normal. Tama lang naman ang This ink tank nalinis ng Friday. Ground wire. ABR. Ito po ang used ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Daily output. Updated. Consumables withdrawal updated. Weekly physical inventory updated. SRR na receive na po. Weekly calibration updated. Maintenance checklist updated. Maraming salamat po.